Hello and welcome to Sanams Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you Mexican rice, or also known as a Spanish rice. This side dish or main course meal, it is served with many Mexican dishes. So I'm going to share with you my personal recipe, which I always use whenever I make Mexican food. So let's start. So in a blending jar, we are going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes and quarter cup of chopped onion. I'm using jalapeno for spiciness, but you can use a red chili pepper or green chili pepper or red pepper. And this is my personal preference. I add red bell pepper to add more color and flavor. Now I'm going to blend this and keep this aside. Now heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot, add half cup of long grain rice. Any long grain rice is fine. I'm using basmati rice. Now we are going to roast until the rice grain turns opaque or solid white. With that, I'm going to add chopped onion and chopped jalapenos or sliced jalapenos. This gives a nice flavor and it looks really nice in between the rice. Now, as you can see, the rice has turned brown. I'm going to add the tomato puree that we prepared. Now look how beautiful and bright color it is. And some of the bright color, it came from red bell pepper. Now this is also optional, but I add boiled kidney beans. Now we wanted to add salt as per taste. You can also add sugar if you like, to balance the taste of the tomato, like tangy taste of tomato, but it is completely optional. Now we want to cover this, lower the flame to medium, and we wanted to cook this for 20 minutes, and do not lift the lid until 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, lift the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. Turn off the flame, and so the excess moisture will come out, and it's ready to be served. Now look how beautiful the color is. It is moist, it is flavorful, it is extremely delicious. It is so now all the moisture has escaped and it has become moist, and also same time it is, each grain is separate. So this is how I like. Now I'm going to take it out in a serving plate and add some cilantro to garnish, and here your Mexican rice is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment box below what you think of this recipe, and please try it today. And I'll see you with the next simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.